Exercise 3 on page 354 uses summation notation, and you're supposed to find the indicated sum. The first thing to remember about summation notation is that the number on the bottom, which is called the index, is actually the number of the term. So when we have our series, our sequence, will be the sum of the sequence equals the series. We've got a bunch of terms. And in this case, the term equals n, and there's no formula here, so it's just the term itself. So there's going to be 100 of them, and this is the sequence that is represented by this summation notation. It's actually going to be all added up, and that's what this tells us. So from 1 to 100, there are going to be 100 of them. Now I should point out that 100 minus 1 is 99, yet there are 100 items here. So when we look at the next one, B, starts at 100, 101, on and on it goes to 200. So the number of terms here clearly is 101. You might be tempted to say that this is 100 terms because 200 minus 100 is 100. But just as 100 minus 1 is 99, yet there are 100 terms, 200 minus 100 is 100, yet there are 101 terms. Now this is important because the formula for the sum of a series that we're going to use in both of these is the sum of the series equals n over 2a plus l. And because we have n in the formula, we better be sure that we can recognize what n is. N is 1 larger than the difference between these two because we include the one at the bottom as well as the one at the top. So the formula here is 100 over 2, 1 plus 100 equals 50 times 101, which equals 50/50. And the second one, well, I'll let you finish the second one yourself. Let's go on and do some more difficult ones. Why don't we do D? D has the sum to 24 from 7, x equals 7. Sorry, that's kind of tiny and hard for you to see. And the expression is 2x plus 5. That means from 7 to 24, 2x plus 5 is how we figure out each of the terms. So we can still use this formula. We just have to figure out a and l. The number of terms here is 24 minus 7 plus 1, so it's 15. So the sum equals 15 over 2 times, well, a, the first term, is going to plug 7 into this formula, so I get 14 plus 5, or 19. And L, the last part of the formula, plugs in 24, so 24 times 2 is 48, plus 5 is 53. We'll let you get your calculator out and finish that one off. Let's try F. F looks complicated. F shows the sum to 100 from z equals 51, and the formula is 200 minus z. I don't like it when they use z because it looks too much like a 2. Minus the sum to 50 from 1 with the same expression, 200 minus z. So once again, we'll use this formula, as simply this stuff minus this stuff. So this stuff over here, there are 50 terms here. 151 from 51 up to 100 is 50 terms. So that's 50 over 2 times A, which would put 51 here. So 100 minus 51, 200 minus 51 is 149, plus L, which puts 100 into this formula, which is 100. So that stuff there, minus this one here, where from 1 to 50 is 50 terms again. So 50 over 2, put this in a big square bracket too, times the first term, so put 1 in there, that's 199, minus, plus, remember we're plugging this in, so we have to find out L. L would have a 50 go in here, so 200 minus 50 is 150. And you can work that one out for yourself too.